Unlock the full power of global payments by learning how to get your Payoneer account fully verified, smoothly and efficiently. If you're receiving payments from international clients, freelancers, or online marketplaces, a verified Payoneer account is your golden ticket to hassle-free transactions, higher limits, and access to all their innovative services. Let's dive in. First, head over to the Payoneer website and click on the Sign Up button. You'll be guided through a simple registration process. You'll need to provide your basic personal information that includes your full legal name, a valid email address, your date of birth, and your current residential address. Make sure everything is accurate, as this information will be used for verification later. Next, create a strong, unique password for your account and set up your security questions to protect your account from unauthorized access. This is a crucial step for online security. Now, you'll be asked to select your country and provide your national ID or passport number. This one piece of information is vital for proving your identity. To receive funds, you'll need to link your bank account by entering its details. This allows Payoneer to securely transfer your earnings directly to your local bank. Once your initial registration is complete, Payoneer will prompt you to verify your account. This is where we solidify your identity and address. You'll need to submit documents for both identity and address verification. For identity, a clear scan or photo of your passport, driver's license, or national ID card is usually required. For address verification, a recent utility bill or bank statement showing your name and address is typically accepted. Simply upload clear, legible images of these documents through the verification portal on your Payoneer account. Ensure all corners of the documents are visible and no information is obscured. Payoneer's team will then review your submitted documents. This process usually takes 1 to 3 business days. Once approved, you'll receive a confirmation email. Congratulations! Your verified Payoneer account is now ready to go, unlocking seamless transactions and higher limits. Start receiving your hard-earned global payments with confidence.